Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a bubble float for fishing. First, thread your main fishing line through the top and bottom loops of the bubble float. Next, tie on your hook or lure to the end of the line, ensuring it is below the float. You can then adjust the depth by sliding the float up or down the line. Finally, fill the float with water, typically 1/3 to 2/3 full, to add casting weight and help it stand upright in the water. Selecting the right gear is crucial for effective bubble float fishing. Choose a float size that matches your bait and the size of fish you are targeting. Larger baits need larger floats. A monofilament fishing line, typically 6 to 10 pound test, works well due to its buoyancy and stretch. Ensure your rod and reel are balanced with the line and float for optimal casting and control. Proper rigging and depth adjustment are key to success. Place a bob or stop on your main line above the float to set your desired fishing depth accurately. You might add a small split shot weight, about 1/8 ounce, a few inches above your hook to help the bait sink. Adjust the leader length, typically 12 to 24 inches, between the float and your hook. Experiment with depths to locate where fish are actively feeding. When casting, use a smooth, controlled motion to prevent tangles and ensure accuracy. Once cast, allow your bubble float to drift naturally with the current, mimicking a free-floating bait. Pay close attention to the float for any dips, twitches, or sudden movements, which indicate a fish bite. Retrieve your line slowly, making occasional pauses, to make your bait appear more natural and encourage fish to strike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.